Hello 4th class students, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with the chapter 17, that is waste disposal. And the main points are biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, disposal of waste, conservation of environment and eco-friendly practices. So class, let's start. Take the things in good conditions and cross the waste. Here are the things given. Some of them are in good condition and some of them are waste. You have to take and cross accordingly. When a thing is not in condition to be used, it is called waste. For example, old newspaper, leftover food, broken glasses or bottle, rags, vegetable peels, etc. are waste. Waste is produced in house, office, factory, hospital and many other places every day. If waste is not disposed, it will be collected at a place and make the place and atmosphere polluted. To keep our environment clean, we should reduce pollution by reducing the quantity of waste. Waste can be of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. We can dispose them in different ways. Biodegradable waste rots easily and mix with soil. Leftover food, bread, vegetable, fruits, leaves, wood, paper and cloth are biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Some waste do not rot. These waste do not mix with soil. These are non-biodegradable waste. For example, glass, iron and other metals, plastics, etc. are non-biodegradable. Disposal of waste. Waste should not be thrown in the open or by the roadside. This causes land pollution and the land of that place becomes breeding place for insects and germs that spread disease. Now, here you can see the picture of garbage on the roadside. When waste is thrown into a water body, it pollutes the water and soil both and harms people, animals and plants also. We should dispose waste in the following ways. Here are the ways. We should separate biodegradable waste. We should separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste before disposing. We should keep biodegradable waste in green bin and non-biodegradable waste in the blue bin. These bins should be covered. We should give them separately to the garbage collector. We should not throw waste in the open. We can keep these in big green and blue bins kept by the municipal corporation in the neighborhood. Trucks of the municipal corporation collect these waste. Biodegradable waste are sent to dumping sites and non-biodegradable waste are sent for recycling. Now, conservation of the environment. Conservation of our natural resources like air, water, soil, minerals, forest and wildlife is called the environment conservation. Our environment comprises of living and non-living things. These are dependent on each other. For this reason, we should protect to maintain a balance in nature and to protect the environment. We have read about the bad effects of pollution. It causes loss of human, animal and plant life, water scarcity and flood, soil infertility, soil removal and other similar problems. All these problems arise out of industrialization, urbanization, deforestation and overpopulation. By taking preventive measures against all types of pollution and by encouraging eco-friendly practices, we can conserve the environment and reduce other problems also. Now, eco-friendly practices. We should use some eco-friendly practices called 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle to reduce pollution and conserve environment. Reduce. If we reduce the amount of waste, it will help in reducing pollution. We should take some steps as given here to reduce waste. We should buy things only when we need them. We should buy those things only which have less packaging. We should use washable plates and cups in place of plastic or paper cups and plates. We should not use plastic bags. We should use our own cloth bags to carry goods from the shop. We should buy those products that can be reused like rechargeable batteries. Reuse. We can reuse something to reduce waste. For example, we can reuse plastic bottles, cans and jars. We can donate old clothes and toys to the needy people. Old school books can be given to needy children for reading. Old newspaper and magazines can be used for craft works. We should use both sides of the paper and leftover space for doing rough works. Recycle. Recycling is the method of converting waste material into new materials and objects. Some waste which can be recycled are paper, plastic, glass, rubber and batteries. Paper is used to make newspaper. Steel and other metals are melted and new products are made. Plastic is melted and new products are made. Broken glasses are recycled to make new glass objects. Rubber is recycled to make new rubber products. In this way, producing less waste and handling them safely by using the 3 R's can help us to conserve the environment and keep our earth safe for all. Now the valued fact, reduction of waste is the first step to environment conservation. Awesome fact, we are using plastic bags although these pollute the environment. Now let's learn the new words. Biodegradable, anything that rots easily and mixes with soil. Non-biodegradable, things that does not rot. Now kids, let's remember, when a thing is not in a condition to be used, it is called waste. Waste can be of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste does not rot easily and mixes with soil. Non-biodegradable waste do not rot. This waste is harmful for the environment. We should dispose waste in right ways to reduce pollution. We should use 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle to reduce pollution and conserve the environment. I hope you are all like this session. Thank you so much for today's class and revise what we have learned. Thank you. Bye-bye. All the best.